Hi there, Danny here from GDL Automotive. Today I'm going to show you how to get the rear door locks out of a Land Rover Discovery 4. It's a little bit convoluted, so you just got to follow the steps. You need to get to this stage, basically remove the door card, remove the speaker. To get to the door lock, you've got to take the window regulator out. To take the regulator out, you've got to disconnect the glass from the reg. So the first thing we need to do is we need to put the window down a little bit, which I need to plug this back in. It's annoying. It's a silly module on there. And then plug the window. You want the window down about there. Probably put that in so it's scratched up. Okay, and then you go in through the hole where the speaker is. You won't be able to see it, but there's some little tabs. You push them back. There's only one. Try to break it. There you go. Window is now off. Sticky tape. So you don't get guillotined. Right, now unplug this, 10 mil. There is an awful lot of Loctite on these, and I have no idea why. I suppose you don't want them rattling loose in the door. Right, so now you've got this little handle thing. Push the reg back. Slide it backwards. It's a bit of a tight fit, but you got to get that to come out this way. There you go. There's your reg out. Now that's the clip that I undid the window with. So now that you can see it, you're basically just pushing that way while you're pulling the glass up. It makes a lot more sense when you can see it, but silly idea, but that's life. All right, now this wire here is the main plug to the lock. You got to undo that. I'll show you once the lock is out. If you can get to that. Right, we can't get to that. And we need to pull the cable here through. So you've got 3 Torx on the side here. Basically you're pulling the locking mechanism and the actuator out, but you've also got to remove the front door handle at the same time. So the first thing you want to do before you remove this, there's 2 little plastic lugs in here that if you don't know what you're doing, you will break. And I actually broke the other one on the other side. So you got to take this out first, these 3 Torx. So I'll do that next. That's the wrong size. Okay. And then this should move out of the way. It won't come out all the way, but it'll move enough so that we can get to those little lugs. Let me get my pliers. And there they are. I'll show you once it's out, because it's probably a little bit too hard to see Further out of the way. Still filming. Happy days. Oh, a damn clock. Sorry. There we go. That's that big plug. Just have to push that at the bottom. Okay, so now with this down and out of the way a little bit, see if I can't get these. Got them without breaking. So, just close the door. You got to open the handle a little bit and pull it. So these are the two wings that I was pushing in. So if you don't push them in from the inside and you just pull, you will snap them. And you'll have to buy a new one because it'll fall out of the car while we're driving along. True story. All right, so next is, again, the wrong size torque bit. Here it is. There's the torques here. That off, you should be able to slide the handle towards the back of the car and the exterior door handle comes out. Then you've got these little gaskets. Just got little locating lugs on them. And then there's this little locating pin, but that's actually screwed in from the other side with another Torx. So you've got to go back in from the other side. And it's in through this hole. Okay, so now with him out, yeah, back on this side. Oh, no, we need that. And you've got to get that little locating lug out that was screwed in. It can be a bit tight. There we go. Oops, it's gone forever. Got him. And now the whole door handle slides towards the front of the car. It's actually easier to do from the inside. Or is it? Right, let's move. Come on. There we go. Push him in. There's your door lock. Oop, and that fell off. Shouldn't have fallen off. They come together, so that connects to there. So then when you get your new one, connect that obviously to the new one, swap your cable over and do everything I just did in reverse without breaking anything.